Now, take a look at this problem. This is also a conjunction, but it actually has the word or in the problem. So it's going to be different from the last problem. The last problem was a continuous problem. This one is two separate problems. So you solve them separately, and you get two answers. If you solve the one on the left, you would be adding 5 both sides. So we would get 2x is less than or equal to -7 plus 5 is -2. And I would divide both sides by 2, which would be x is less than or equal to -1. And then we still have this other problem here where we add 5 to both sides and we get 2x is greater than, whoops, shouldn't have an equal sign there, should we? Guess we'll need to erase that. We get 2x is greater than 6, and we divide both sides by 2, so we get x is greater than 3. Now this or is still in here, so we actually have two different answers. Over here we have the -1. We put it on a number line so it will be easier to get our interval notation. We have x is less than or equal to -1. It's got an equal sign, so we have the closed circle, and we're going in this direction. This would be -infinity to -1 with a bracket around the -1. We have the or. In or, since we have two separate answers, and this one is x greater than 3. Here are all the numbers greater than 3. So this would be 3 to infinity. What the or will do is we'll put a union symbol there, which means we have this answer or this answer. We have a gap here, a hole that's here. So we have two separate answers. This answer here in the middle of the graph is a big hole. So we use a union symbol for a problem like this. So the or problems will have union symbols in them unless the graph overlaps. If you had a graph, let's say you had a graph with the -1 on it and the 3 on it, and you graphed this one and it went this way, and you graphed this one and it went this way, then they would overlap each other. So that could possibly happen too, but for the most part, we'll end up with union symbols on these problems.